Hello guys, this is Hunter Stewart from Hunter Stewart Hobbies. Tonight we are at Galt Mile 57 on the Galt Subdivision in Cambridge, Ontario. In this video we're going to get some CPKC trains. Before we get in this video, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, and let's see if we can get any trains tonight. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CPKC eastbound train coming down the line. The reason why I came out here is because CPKC 734 is going to have double BNSF power. That Crazy J mentioned in his comments. I wrote a comment saying, did you catch anything yet? And then he said there's a 734 that went through 3 p.m.-ish in his area. So this better be the 734 that's coming. Because I would hope to God he has this BNSF power. Sounds like it is. It doesn't sound like a local to me. Wait till he gets closer, I'll be back. Okay, he's approaching Galt now. If this is the H72, he would be going pretty slow. So hopefully this is a 734 I'm waiting for. Hopefully it's 734, because if it is, then it'll have BNSF units. It's taking an awfully long time for him to get here. Be right back. Oh, here he comes. I don't think this is 734 because he's going awfully slow. And there go the gates. Maybe it is 734 because he's going awfully fast. Hopefully it's got BNSF units. Looks like he's not even clear to go onto this track, so he's going this straight to Toronto. Aw, what is this right there? Please tell me this is not H72 because he's on the far track. Actually, it is. Wait a minute. What power is this? We have 3087, 3063, and 3742. Gondolas. I thought it was a 734 because it's usually maybe he's in Wolverton right now. That's why. Let me guess. Is this H88 we're catching? Because he's got mixed freight. Oh my God. Looks like he's coming to a slowdown. I don't know if this is H72 because usually if it's H72, it's got auto racks. I think this is H88, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Because usually he's a lot longer. Look at this. I don't know if I think this has got to be H88 we're catching. A very late H88. Okay, symbol on this train is CPKC H88. This train originates from the Quebec Street Yard in London, Ontario, terminates at Guelph Junction. And once it drops off the loads at Guelph Junction, it picks up the loads at Guelph Junction, it heads back to London. All on this October 23rd, 2023 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. I think this train has work at Galt today. So I wonder if he's doing. I think he's going to be setting some cars off here. Yeah, this is definitely the H88 right there because he's got to set off some gondolas here. And H88 has a big load today. I think he's about later than usual. I don't know if H88 terminates here or goes all the way to Guelph Junction. If he doesn't, he does. But anyways, I'm going to be staying out for CPKC 734 because he's going to have 2 BNSF powers. I don't know. I think he might be working in Wolverton right now. There's the end of H88, I believe. Off it goes to Campbellville, and it turns back to London. Yep, I believe this train has work on the way, which will be blocking the line for 734. It's just great. Well, let's see if there's any more CPKC trains coming. If not, this will be our only train in this video. On to the next scene. Roll it. Hold it! Now don't click away because we got a few more trains to come. There always is on Hunter Stewart Hobbies, because you guys ain't seen nothing yet. Here comes the next train scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CPKC eastbound train coming down the line. The time is now 10:40 p.m. So the last train I caught was H88, and it came through like around 9:05 p.m. and I forgot to track that train. God, I'm so stupid. Anyways, we got, I think this might be the 734 with the double BNSF units. BNSF duels. And also 239 is just coming out of the coming westbound, so I'll stay for 239 as well. So I looked on Dad's Facebook and he said there's a Union Pacific on 239, so I'm gonna have to stay out for 239, this train in 239 that's coming. Listen to that horns. He's just coming up to the crossing here. Or if there is any crossings. This train's taking longer than I expected. Oh, I hear him. He's getting closer now. I can hear him roaring through the way. He should be really close now. So it looks like I'm going to be premiering this video because it'll be out on Wednesday night. Since I have a premiere tomorrow and I'm going to have another one the next day. It's taking 2 minutes for him to get here. It's ridiculous. As soon as I hit record, it takes like 2 minutes for him to get here. It's ridiculous, but it's worth the wait. I can see him coming. I can hear him coming. Wait, I'm going to show you right here. Sorry, it's too bright here. Too dark. I can show where he's coming from. Just going to be going through the bend right in there. We'll see his light coming through. Be right back until I see his light. Can hear the ding-dings all the way from there. That's why I'm hearing horns. He's just coming through the bend right now. I think I caught the H88 around 9:05. Oh, there he is, right there. He's coming through this way. He's coming down he's coming through the bend. Okay, what do we have for power on this? Here go the gates. Roll it. Time is now 10:43, so I just basically recorded this for 3 minutes before he got here. So I just basically wasted 3 minutes on my video for talking. Well, it's worth the wait, but here goes nothing. This might be loud. If he's blowing his horns, you might have to turn down. You have to turn down your headset because it's going to be loud. 6302, 6998. BNSF duels, all right. The symbol on this train is CPKC 734. This train originates from Gibson, Indiana, terminates Nights at Asian Courtyard in Toronto, Ontario. All on this October 23rd, 2023 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Wow, that was worth the wait. I was Crazy J, if you're watching this video, I want to give you a heads up, a shout out to you. Thanks for giving me the heads up for this train. Crazy J, if you're watching this video. So 2:39 will be our third and final train. So here comes the next train scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CPKC eastbound train. We got an unexpected, unplanned eastbound coming. I don't know where the 2:39 is at. Maybe he'll be my next and final train, but we have an unexpected eastbound coming. You can hear him roaring through the distance. Can't believe I made my halftime message after one train. I thought I was gonna get 3 trains, but well, god damn it. There's 4. We're gonna get 4 in the video. I didn't okay. I can hear him coming. Let's see if he comes down the bend. Ding ding should be going down in about 30 seconds. What could this eastbound be? Could this be a 2:30? If it's all manifest, it could be 2:30. If it's ethanol, it's 5:28. You'll find out what train it is. Here he comes. Okay, I don't want to be so stupid, but I'm gonna track my time right now. It's now 11:10 p.m. It's like 10 minutes after 11 p.m. Here he comes through the bend. Gates are going to go down any second now. Now, what could this train be? Could this be a local, or looks like it's awful slow to be a freight? So it could be the H72. He can work any time during the day. So it looks like he's going to be coming to a complete stop. I don't know. Here he comes. You can see it's light way down there. I've been recording this scene for like 3 minutes. Every time I catch a train, I hear a horn, then I wait 3 minutes, hit record, and waited 3 minutes till he arrives. So what do we have for power on this CPKC train here? Okay, he's going awfully slow, so he's got to be coming to a siding nearby. Well, okay, here he comes. It looks like it might be, what could this train be? Is it a local? He might be pulling into this place over there. Be right back. You can see his lights way up there. Looks like he's going to be switching. This has got to be H72 coming. Be right back before he proceeds. Roll it. Alright, we got CPKC H72 coming down the line. I think this is H72. But this is a local, it could be H7 something. I don't know how to pronounce it. I know this train originates from Wolverton Yard in Wolverton, Ontario. It comes into Cambridge and drops its auto racks into the Toyota dealership, and it takes the loads and it goes back to Wolverton. All on this October 23rd, 2023 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. So we got 23:17 leading, and trailing second is, let me see, let's see, 30, uh, 30, 22, I can't really see now, can't see the numbers, damn, it's 30 something, I can't see it, It's got to be, yeah, 30-23, I think. It was 30-23 trailing second. Now, since I already caught that on H88 a few weeks ago at Gulf Junction, remember? This has got to be the H72 going by. If it is. Or is it H73? I'm not sure. I know this train definitely originates from Wolverton Yard. And it goes into Hangi, which is a Toyota, where the Toyota dealership is. That's where they get loaded their auto racks at. These auto racks are empty and they're going to get loaded up at the Toyota dealership. Look at all these auto racks. As soon as this train goes by, then 239 will be our final train in this video, because he's meeting the 734 on the line and the H88 train. Got all these auto racks. How many does he have? I think it was it's got to be, the trailing second was 30-23, I believe. I think. Now that's why I heard chatter at Wolverton. There was 2 trains, actually 3 trains that came out of Wolverton. I thought I heard a horn, so I just got an unexpected train. So I caught this train around 11:15 p.m. So forgot to try. I did track it, but it came later than I expected. So it was around 11:15 is when I caught him going, proceeding into the way. Listen to that. The wheels are coming off. Seems like it's going to derail. That's not looking good. It's got a crap load of auto racks going all the way to the Toyota dealership. Nice to get 2 locals in one video, and we're going to get 239 after this. And it'd be nice to get BNS. It's pretty nice to get some BNSF power on 734. It was a treat. Nice treat. Here's Corey and Adam right there. The Railfanners from out this area. Nice to run into Corey and Adam, because they like to Railfan a lot. I think Corey is like 53 and Adam's 25. So I know how old they are. And Corey's wife is about 61. So I know how old these people are. That's how old those people are. He is going pretty slow. Wasn't expecting this guy to come, but we got him. When is this train going to end? I'm glad I stayed out late for these guys. When will this 239 comes by? Hopefully it'll be here before midnight. Wow. There's the end right there. I can see the end right there. this is a big train there. Big local. Alright, here comes the next train scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CPKC southbound train coming down the line. I mean, no, westbound train coming down the line. We got a westbound CPKC train coming. The time is now 11:38 p.m., 22 minutes before midnight. So I'm going to have to get going after this westbound, which is a CPKC 239. Okay. Let's see what power he has today. If I catch it again, he'll be the same. It's a repetitive train, you know. So this is my treat to catch this guy. There go the gates. Alright, if I stand back, I can get a good picture of the engines. Here goes nothing, eh? There go the gates. It's 11:40 p.m. So we got 80, 15, 8173. I thought this is 239. It usually has manifests. And 137 doesn't run on Mondays. That's weird. This is 239 we're catching. It's not all auto racks. He is really motoring, eh? Alright, let's see if there's any more. If not, this will wrap it up and end it. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, this will wrap it up for today's video, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, leave comments, and I will see you in the next video. Hunter Stewart Hobbies is signing off. Peace out, everybody.